Hello, it's Chris here, and I'm doing a video to you, the audience, being people on the internet, about stating the obvious. We just can't put in this. The video I'm going to talk in this video today, I'm going to talk about archetypes and technology, basically. So, archetypes are emerging within the emerging world of technology, or the information society, or however you want to, whatever kind of brackets you want to put around it, I suppose. Because the future, basically, it's a futurist idea that archetypes I'm talking about, basically. So there's going to be 4 archetypes, maybe 5, because this is all still developing in my head. First archetype, technological wizard. The technological wizard is a fast, efficient, and very general, has lots of broad areas of knowledge in many different subject areas in regards to technology and the sciences, etc. 2. Technological sorcerer. Technological sorcerer is more focused on very specific and focused disciplines, which on the more theoretical side of technology, whether it be computing physics, mathematics, that kind of area of scientific inquiry. 3. Technological necromancers. Now this is the darker side of the technological age. These are your black hat hackers, your tricksters on the net, I suppose, essentially. 4. This is intuitive, so technological nemesis. So the technological nemesis is basically the counterpoint to the first 2 archetypes. So the technological nemesis is someone who wants to use technology for destructive aims, by which I mean you kind of archetypal mad scientist historically. So this would be, in historical terms, like just really, not even Frankenstein science, just really deranged scientists, really, who want to use technology for just purely destructive means. So, yeah, that's just an intuitive idea. Some intuitive ideas I've had about archetypes relating to technologists and technology in the 21st century. Now, to take this into a more interesting direction, where do I see myself? Because it's always good to do a bit of self-analysis. I'm a technological sorcerer, basically, with a little bit of wizard. So my focuses are computer science, mathematics, web, how we kind of portray ourselves in the web, in the modern web, how human beings interact on the web, and the reasons for that, I suppose. So it's kind of like analytical, scientific terms. My focus at the minute, which would obviously, that's a little bit of wizard I was talking about. The sorcerer in me is more focused primarily on maths and computing, basically, with a little bit of physics sprinkled in there as well, and cosmology too, because all these things relate. Obviously, I mean, you can have, there's a lot of crossover, this is the model that was used to be called a polymath, i.e. a Renaissance man, basically. Not man necessarily, I've gone through this before, but it's just a word, in language. So, because I have to relate this historically to an idea. I'm going to try and keep this short. It's been 4 minutes already. I'm going to produce a video where I just explore this idea with graphics, etc. So watch out for that. I've been Chris, aka Noir Vortex on YouTube. If you like the video, like. If you want to subscribe. I generally do a mix of scientific-based, computer science-based videos, theoretical videos, web development. Just basically look at my channel, it's got so full of stuff. And on that note, I'll say goodbye, and yeah, watch for further expansions on this idea, basically.